सुस्वागत दर्शक बंधु ओडिया फ्री लर्निंग किड्स चैनल को तथा यही नुआ वीडियो को आज वीडियो रे आपण माने एक सुंदर सरल तथा बोधगम्य इंग्राजी शब्दर प्रस्तुत इंग्राजी शिशु दिवस भाषण पाई परिबे जहां मन रखिबा पई सहज शब्द संयोग करा जायछि एवं एपरि किछि नुआ तथ्य रे प्रस्तुत होइछि जहां सुनाइबा मात्रे श्रोतांक द्वारा प्रतिक्रिया सृष्टि हेबो। तो डेरी न करी आरंभ करिबा आजिर वीडियोटी आरंभ करिबा पूर्व मोर अनुरोध जो माने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिनांती सर्वशेष निज गुण को विचार करी सब्सक्राइब करिवे। आमर ए प्रयास आपनको भल पाइबा द्वारा ही दीर्घस्थायी होई परिबो। धन्यवाद। Good morning to the respected president, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day and I am very proud to speak about the special day. Today I am here to speak a few words about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year in India. It is also called as Bal Divas. Children's Day is a very happy day for children. It is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was a prominent leader and a greater freedom fighter. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much and he was known as Chacha Nehru. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of country. He believed that children are the future of the nation, so it is crucial to nurture and educate them properly. He compared children with birds of flowers. Because of his love for children, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. By his suggestion, on this day, many educational and motivational programs are held across Indian schools and colleges organize various events like dance, drama, music, speech, essay writing, etc. competition for children. Students take part in these activities and enjoy it. Sweets, books and gifts are distributed by the school to each and every child. Many kinds of programs are also conducted on social media which guides the children. Children's Day is celebrated to make people aware that children are the real future of the country. Let us all celebrate this day with happiness and enjoy the best phase of our life, our childhood. Children's Day is success when our country will be free from child labor and every child get the same right to education. Children's Day is a great day to take forward Nehru's dream in the education of the children so that they can be valuable citizens of the nation. So my dear friends, let's take forward our Chacha Nehru's dream. Thank you.